Hi, and welcome back to Lizard Studios. Today we are going to be making a mono print. Yes, a mono print of a mandala. And then we are going to be using that mono print in the next lesson to make a big surprise. You are going to see. We're going to begin today by talking a little bit about how one color looks different if it's placed on different colors. And we're going to see that in the prints that we're going to be making today. Okay, so let's begin by taking out our materials. So today, these are the materials that you're going to need. I'm going to begin from my left and I'm going to go to my right, okay? You're going to need some tin foil paper, okay, aluminum foil paper. You're going to need a piece of cardboard that you could take from a cereal box, from a shoe box, anywhere you could find it. You're going to need 4 different colors of paper, okay? 4 different colors of paper. And then you're going to have to pick one color of paint, okay? Whatever color you want. I picked red, but you could pick any color that you want, all right? You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to also need a tray, a white tray in which you're going to be putting paint on, okay? I already had some paint in here, but you're going to use a white tray, okay? Now, you need a roller, or if you don't have a roller, okay, a foamy roller, then a paintbrush will be fine. So I'm going to leave these here. And then you're going to need some cotton swabs, the ones that you use for your ears, okay? Those. Now, let's begin our class for today. Yes, today, the first thing that we're going to do is make a printing tray, okay? And how do we do that? Well, we take our cardboard, we take aluminum foil paper, a little bit bigger than the cardboard, okay? And what we're going to do is take the shiny part to the bottom, and we're going to put the cardboard in here, okay? We're going to press so it's flat, and we are going to fold the aluminum paper on the cardboard, just like this, okay? Just like this, because we want to make it, we want to have it really, really flat. Now, if you have sellotape, take some sellotape. Okay, you don't have to sellotape it down, but I do because I like to do it, okay? Later on, you're going to be changing this if you're going to make more prints, so the aluminum foil could always be changed, and you could make other prints, okay? All right. So now we have our tray that we are going to be printing on. The next thing that we're going to do is prepare our paper, okay? So we're going to take the sheets of paper. These are like folio size paper, normal regular size paper. And you're going to fold them, let me put this here. You're going to fold them into 4, okay? So we fold it once, corner to corner. We press and we fold it twice. Corner to corner, make sure that it's even, corner to corner, and we press, okay? Good. Now, what you're gonna do is cut this paper up, okay? You're gonna cut it into 4s, and like that, either you could share it with another student, or if you're at home with your brother or sister, or with your friend. And if you're at school, you can make more, or you could use more. All right? But I want you to have a bunch of papers so you could do all your prints. Okay, so now we're ready. Okay? Just turn these around, okay, and we're ready to print. So now we put our papers here. We have our printing board here, and I'm going to show you how to print in just a second. The first thing that I want to tell you guys is that a monoprint is a print that you only make once. You will never get the same print 2 times because it only happens 1 time, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. Now, we are going to talk about color theory and how red or any color look on different types of colors. We're going to look at that at the end of the class today, because I need you to do the prints first, and then we'll look at the actual prints, all right? So first, I'm going to show you how to make a print. To make a print, you need to put your paint, okay, on your tray. You need to put lots of paint on the tray. And you need your roller to roll on that paint evenly. You have to have paint evenly on that roller in all parts of your roller. So you roll it up just like this to make sure that when you make the roller go, the paint is everywhere, okay? Next thing that you're going to do, you're gonna put your paper on the sheet like this, all right? And you're gonna make some little marks. You can make a mark with your pencil, okay? You're gonna make a mark like this way and this way, more or less, to know the size of the papers that you are going to be using, okay? So more or less like that. See how I did it? Or if you want to make the mark a little bit bigger, look what you do. You just go around the paper, because all the papers are gonna be the same size because you cut them the same size, all right? So you make this little mark like this on your sheet, on your printing sheet, okay? You take it out away, and now you know where you're going to place your paint, okay? Now, you make sure that the roller is full of paint, and now we are going to not go all the way to the edge, okay? But we're gonna put paint right here in the middle, okay? I'm not taking it all the way to the edge. And I'm rolling the paint on here evenly, okay? Just like that. Now, we are going to use the subtractive method. That means you take away paint, and we're gonna start in the middle with shapes and lines. So we're gonna use first shapes like circles, triangles, squares, and we're also going to be using lines like zigzag lines, curved lines, horizontal lines, any type of lines that we have already looked at, okay? So let's begin. I'm gonna begin the first one with a swirl in the middle. See, with your cotton swab, you make a swirl. You could do anything that you want. And then I'm going to make some triangles that go all around. Okay, just like this. And now I am going to make some lines that come out, just to make it look happier. And I do 3 lines in each one, between each triangle, like that, okay? And now I'm gonna make the first print. I put my swab down here so I won't get paint all over my hands, okay? And I am going to make the first print. How do I do that? I look at the square that I drew on the outside, and I put the paint, the paper on it, and I rub, rub, rub. And when I rub, and I stop rubbing, and I pull up my paper, ta-da! This is what I have, okay? I have a print. Now, I am going to do this a second time, okay? With the same color paper. So I'm going to take the same color paper, I am going to put it on, and I'm going to rub all that paint that is on the printing tray that I made, and let's see how it comes out, okay? So there we go. So the paint that was left over, see, came on the second print. You see that? But no print is the same as the other one, so it's always a mono print. One print is unique, like you guys, okay? It's unique, okay? We are only one, except twins that are 2, but they also have different personalities. So let's see, let's make another print now with another color of paper. So what do? Put some more paint on my tray. Remember, you have to have lots of paint on that roller, okay? The roller has to be paintful. And watch me as I make my other prints in other colors, all right? And get ideas. Now, another technique that you could do is taking a brush. When you put the paint down, okay, you take the brush, and what you do is you spread, you get a lot of paint on that brush, and you draw, you paint the square with lots of paint. So you have to put a lot of paint on it, just like this. And now you take a cotton swab and you do the same thing. So just watch. Okay, and now I have finished doing all of this, so I am going to tidy up a little bit so I could show you how colors work together on each other. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how red looks on different colors. Okay, so let's see which one you like better. Okay, so let's look down here and see. I put red on yellow and red on yellow. You see the first print and the second print. Okay, they are both different because there was more paint here than here. First print and second print. First print, second print, and the first print and the second print. Now that we have all these prints, which one do you think that looks better on red? Let's look. Okay, I have my favorite one, okay? And this one here is my favorite one in my opinion, okay? I like the way that this works better, okay? I like this one, and then my second favorite is the yellow one. Why? Because here this color, the purplish violet, comes out more. You see that purple violet here a little bit more, and I like that better. And then my second option is this one, because I really like the way that the yellow comes out with the red. Okay, these two are okay, but the orange loses itself with the red. And here I did an example here for you, so you could see that you can make some things for Christmas if you would like later on, or when Christmas comes around. All right, so now that we have discussed this, make sure that the next time you do a print, you choose the correct color for the background, the one that you think will look better with the color that you're printing with. Okay, so we are going to write our name on all of our prints. 2020 on all of them, and you're gonna save them for next time because they have to dry up. And next time I have a big surprise for you, and you're just gonna love what we're going to do. Okay, so have a nice day, have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.